In today's video, let's talk about how to fix two-factor authentication lost. Now, in this situation, the best way that you could get back to your account is to bypass the authentication request using the backup security codes. So whenever you turn on the two-factor authentication within your email, which could be any email, you generally have the option of getting or receiving the backup codes. So if you have already saved or generated those backup codes, you could simply use those to get back into your account. But in the case that you have not generated or don't have the backup codes with you, in this situation, what you could do is you'll be able to see the option called try another way. You'll likely receive the backup code or the code via your email or your phone number. So you'll likely see similar options being displayed within try another way. If you don't see similar options being displayed, then in this situation, you need to contact the customer support, where you need to exactly notify or tell them that the issue that you're facing. And then you need to select one of these options, which could be the lost two-factor authentication, your lost email access, or forgot email, depending upon your case. And you need to provide your identity so that they can gain access of your account. So that's the way on how you can do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.